Okay, I've just arrived in my room. Let's check out the room. I'm at Heritage Hotel, and I ordered it online. I booked through hotels.com, and it was a pretty good deal. I got this hotel room for a pretty good deal. It was 83.05 Canadian dollars. So, and it's peak season, December 31st. Almost all hotels, they go up between the prices of $100 to way more than that. Some even cost 350 Canadian dollars. But this one I got it for 83 Canadian dollars and 5 cents. Can you believe that? Now let's check out right from the doorstep to everything, to the bathroom. So we'll check this out first. They have an in-room safe. They have a bathrobe. It's a sliding one, and it's pretty spacious looking. They have shelves here, 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves, and it's a pretty spacious cabinet where you can hang clothes. And this is what I've been looking for. When I first walked in here, oh my god, I said, oh my god, right away, wow, this is what I've been looking for. Not all hotels have that. So, and they have an ironing board, and the texture of the this thing, it's foamy. It's like a foam material. Foam material. And they even have a flashlight. How cute, for brownouts. Do they have brownouts here? And the usual, just like in any hotels, they have laundry, dry cleaning, pressing services. Okay, so that's the cabinet. And we move on here. They have an ice bucket, 2 glasses, 2 mugs, and 2 teaspoons. They have complimentary water. Okay. They have instant coffee, Lion's Earl Grey tea, 2 packets of each. They have regular sugar, 2 packets, and an instant coffee made creamer. And for those who are diabetic or do not want to go fat, they have an no calorie sugar, and they have this as well. And they have a hot water maker. And what's this here? I just wonder. What's this here? And this is the fridge. I wonder what this is for. How come there's a keyhole? So I'm gonna put the other, or maybe just 2. I'm just staying overnight here. I won't be staying long, and I think I'm gonna go for this water. I've been dying to have a drink. Okay, let me drink first, because ever since I landed at the airport, I haven't had a drink. Not even coffee, not even tea, but most especially water. I need water. Thank you, Lord. And they have this beautiful glass shelving. 2 glasses of shelving. And they have this advertisement. To make it more beautiful, they have this light. It's a single light, but it's enough to light up the entire shelf. And they have this beautiful marble counter. Let's move on over here. So they have this king size bed and 2 bedside tables. By the way, when I checked in, or actually when I booked online at hotels.com, the one I booked says 2 single beds. I guess that's the standard. So I picked that one because that was the only one available. But when I checked in today, the front desk clerk asked me, would you prefer 1 king size bed or 2 single beds? So I replied, oh yeah, I get to choose. Okay, I'll choose the king size bed since I'm a solo traveler. So I chose this one. Okay. It's pretty awesome to me. It's soft enough. So they have this entertainment center. It's simple looking, and they have all of these Filipino channels, plus There's GMA, the one that you're familiar with. Is there even ABS-CBN? Oh yeah, there is. And they have all these international channels up to Saudi. Wow, awesome. I didn't know there was a Jeepney TV. And there's also an Australian. Do they have a Netflix here? I just wonder, maybe not. That's another thing. Yeah, and they have this large storage space. Like, if you're the kind of traveler who likes to bring a lot of stuff with them, Heritage Hotel can accommodate your stuff. Like most people I know, they bring a lot of stuff with them. Like at the airport, my goodness. Wow, they have a lot of stuff. Like they're not coming back to their adopted country anymore. Okay, so they have this phone, and this is your desk table, your study table, and they have this beautiful marble top coffee table on a wrought iron, and they have this lounge chair. They have this beautiful study table chair, and they have a menu here. And you're probably wondering what this is. This is where you hook up your